Downloaded a TOT firmware file for an LG device and need to flash or extract it? This is a packaged firmware update used in LG Android phones and tablets. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these LG firmware archive files for flashing or extraction. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky TOT errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. TOT files are firmware archive files used to distribute and install firmware updates for LG Android smartphones and tablets. They contain compressed system images, bootloader recovery, and modem firmware components packaged for flashing through LG's official firmware tools or compatible third-party flashing utilities. LG TOT. Firmware files use a proprietary container format with compressed partition images including system boot recovery and userdata partitions. The format includes header metadata identifying device model firmware version and partition layout following LG's flashing protocol specifications used by LG Flash Tool and similar utilities. The reference software for validating TOT integrity is LG Flash Tool from LG Electronics. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows previews only limited details inside the archive, so full extraction depends on third-party utilities. We need to test for compatibility. Right-click your TOT file and choose Open With. If you have LG Flash Tool, launch with that first. Otherwise, try a different program. Sometimes the best fit isn't obvious. If your TOT file will not open, do not worry. The TOT file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, flashing with LG tools. Install LG Flash Tool or LG Up utility on a Windows PC with appropriate device drivers. Boot the LG device into download mode, connect via USB, and load the TOT file in the flashing utility. Initiate the flashing process, which writes the firmware to device partitions and reboots into the new system. Next, extracting contents. Use specialized tools like LG Extract or community-developed scripts to extract individual partition images from the TOT archive. The extracted IMG files can be examined, modified, or flashed individually using fastboot or other flashing methods for targeted firmware modifications and device customization. Finally, verifying firmware source. Always download TOT firmware files from official LG support pages or trusted developer communities. Verify file integrity using provided checksums when available. Flashing untrusted or incorrect firmware can permanently brick the device, so confirm device model compatibility before initiating any flashing operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.